Hello, I'm Neil from SWIT Electronics. This is the video for SWIT new wireless products this year. And this video is a little bit long, but will include all information about wireless. SWIT has manufactured wireless HD video transmission system since 2011, and this year we just brought out the latest generation of the wireless, which will go smaller, professional design, and we offer exciting price while with no compromise on quality and performance. Well, let's have a look at the two new models, CW-H150, the HDMI 150 meters transmitter and receiver, and the CW-S300, the SDI 300 meters transmitter and receiver. Both the new models are WHDI wireless, work on a 5G frequency, uncompressed HD 1080p, less than 1 millisecond latency, and DFS comply, license-free to operate. First, let's see the smaller one. We call it entry-level wireless, that is HDMI 150 meters. As we know, the video productions come with many small handheld cameras like FS5, EOS C200, GH5, even video DSLR. In the past, the small productions may not afford a wireless system, which is expensive and seems only for cinematographers. But now, you can select this new HDMI 150 meters wireless. We announced the list price at only 999 euros, about $1,200 with transmitter and receiver, cold shoe bracket, and DC power cables. The transmitter has one HDMI input and receiver has one HDMI output. And to power the wireless, there is a DC-in socket to get power from D-tap or directly attach DV battery on. We provide many kinds of DV battery plates for option. And for professionals, the filmmakers, we have the SDI 300 meters, a similar size for transmitter but bigger for receiver. The transmitter has one SDI input and one SDI look-through output for camera monitor, and the receiver has two SDI outputs. Support up to 3G SDI, uncompressed and low latency. The DC power input are professional LiMo 4-pin, and we provide a D-tap to LiMo 4-pin cables. The transmitter has DV battery plates as well, still various types for option, and receiver has V-mount or gold mount plates for option. The new wireless system supports multicast, means you can use up to 4 receivers to work with one transmitter, so that in the film site, the director, focus, gaffer, or sound engineer can get a video wirelessly. And in one location, you can set 3 to 4 wireless channels to work together without interference to each other. I know you are willing to see the real transmission distance now. We will go out for testing shortly. And before that, I'd like to introduce you how to pair the new wireless. Actually, the transmitter and receiver sets are already paired in factory, so you can directly use when purchased. But if you have several units and mixed up the transmitters and receivers, or if you want to do multicast, then you need to repair by yourself. And it's not difficult to pair. I will show you how to do. First, connect the receiver to a monitor. Since transmitter is not paired, the monitor will display searching for camera unit. Now press the pair button on the receiver. Hold for about 10 seconds. The monitor will display, please press registration button on the camera unit. Then you can release the pair button on receiver. And go to the transmitter to press and hold the pair button. Until the monitor displays registration in progress, and then release the pair button. And when progress bar finished, the transmitter and the receiver are successfully paired. That's easy and quick. The pairing can also secure the video transmission. That means if you add a receiver, you must get a permission from the transmitter. Okay, now it's time to do the distance testing outside. Well, we take a handheld camcorder for 150 meters and a cine camera for 300 meters. In our old models, we require antennas spread to different angles, but for the new series, you don't need to do so. Just let all antennas straight up for both transmitter and receiver. Even if when you lay down the devices, please still set the all antennas straight up. So let's go with the cameras and see the wireless video on the monitor. The new wireless models have quite stable video transmissions, and if the video lost out of range, it will recover automatically and quickly when it comes back to the distance. I know you may ask for the transmission through walls. Actually, it's really hard to answer because the 5G frequency determines that they are not good at wall transmission. Not only walls, but also waters, human bodies, and blocks will short distance. That's why we always ask to set the receiver higher to make the transmission in line of sight. Anyway, this time the new wireless products actually has really better wall transmission performance than any previous models before. Okay, we are back. After the long video, let's make a summary. SWIT new wireless, CW-H150, the HDMI 150 meters, and the CW-S300, the SDI 300 meters, 5G wireless transmission, DFS compliant, 1080p, uncompressed, no latency, strong performance, and cost effective, and already shipping. That's all. Also, we'll have a third model in this new series, the SDI 150 meters, will be ready soon. I will introduce you later. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And if you want longer distance wireless, the next video may interest you, the SWIT 1 km wireless system. See you next time. Bye.